Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Visukarma and my today's topic is our universe from science. When we look at the sky, we see the different types of natural bodies are present like sun, stars, the stars, moons and so on. The natural bodies in the skies are called celestial bodies. This from in example you can see here sun, stars and moons are celestial bodies. Celestial bodies or heavenly body you can say, they are the part of our universe. The universe is a huge space which contains everything that exists. The celestial bodies that we see are just a small fraction of the bodies that exist in the universe. To measure the large distance in the universe, scientists use a unit of length called the light year. A light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Light travels 9.46 trillion kilometers in a year. One light year represents this huge distance. Proxima Centauri, the star closest to our solar system, is 4.2 light year from us. This means the light from the stars takes 4.2 years to reach us. In this chapter, shall learn a bit about stars and the solar system. Stars. Away from the light of the city, you can see the thousands of stars in the night sky. You can also see some planets and their moons either with the naked eyes or with the help of telescope. These celestial bodies are different from the stars in one important way. Stars are the celestial body that produce their own light. Planet and their moons shine by reflecting the light of stars such as our sun. All stars are huge ball of hydrogen and helium gases. In a star's hydrogen get converted into helium. In this reaction, a large amount of energy is liberated. This is the source of heat and light of a star. Stars vary in brightness and size. Some are medium sized like our sun. Stars vary in brightness and size. Some are medium sized like our sun. Some are so huge that if they were to be placed in our sun's position, they would be fill the entire solar system. Our next topic is galaxy. There are trillions of stars in the universe. They occur in group called galaxies. The gravitational force between the stars keep the star of a galaxy together. Apart from star, a galaxy may have other celestial bodies like planet and moon. So you can say a galaxy is a group of stars and other celestial bodies beyond together by gravitational force. The distribution of stars in a galaxy can give its shape such as spiral, ring or elliptical. Our sun is the part of a spiral galaxy called Milky Way galaxy. The galaxy is named after Milky Way. The Milky Way is the band of stars that we can see on a clear night. These stars are the part of our galaxy. The ancient Roman called band of stars Y Galantica and road of milk, that is now our galaxy got its name. How the universe formed. Dear children, scientists believe that the universe was born after massive explosion called the Big Bang. A long time after the Big Bang, stars like our sun were formed. At the time, clouds of hot gases and particles revolved around the sun. Over time, many particles got stuck together to form large bodies. These bodies pulled in smaller objects near them by gravitational force. This made them larger still. These bodies finally become the planets. Dear children, we will discuss the next topic in our next videos. Till then, dear children, that is all for today. Bye, take care, have a nice day, see you in the next class.